Year and hometown.
My name's Temi. I study nutrition. I'm in first year and I'm from London.
Okay, so what is Miss Charming? What happened there? What happened?
I didn't think you were gonna ask me like that.
We'll keep going. Just
Okay.
keep going.
Okay.
Oh, you want to ask again? You want? What is Miss Charming?
Miss Charming is my side hustle that I do. I sell jewelry. I made this one myself. You know, hit me up if you need anything.
Okay, so why did you choose your course, and what do you think?
My course. Because. I'm so sorry. Okay.
So why did you choose your course?
I chose my course because I really enjoy like food, especially during like food tech days, cooking and that was fun. And also I did like a EPQ project on like processed food and that, and I really enjoyed it. So I was like, maybe there's a course I can do, and here I am.
What do you think so far? So what semester are you in?
Second.
So what do you think so far?
It's lit, I can't even lie to you, because even though there's like biology and chemistry and all that science stuff, it's really like interesting, you know, it links with food and all that, so yeah.
What do you think the best A-levels / subjects for your course are?
Chemistry and biology. Yeah, those are really important.
You have to have them.
Yeah.
You have to. Okay.
Yeah.
And what's like a third subject, maybe someone studying A-level, something to just add on there that might help?
Psychology.
Psychology?
Yeah.
Why do you say psychology?
Because I'm doing a unit right now on foundation psychology, and I didn't do psychology A-level, so like I'm not really sure what's going on.
Okay. But you're kind of learning, but it would have helped if you did do psychology.
Yeah.
So let's talk about Bournemouth University. The best and worst things about coming to Bournemouth. Let's start with the worst.
The worst?
The worst. If you don't have any,
I don't
no
think
complaints.
I do. I mean,
What was that? Oh, something there.
no, maybe it's just like my accommodation.
Okay, we'll get into the
Yeah.
accommodation. We'll get into the accommodation. Let's talk about the best things that Bournemouth University offer.
I say the nightlife and the beach.
So that's area-wise. We'll get onto that. We'll talk about the university. Just the uni.
The uni.
Just the uni. Systems with Subu, societies, well-being, careers.
I got
you got. Have you got a worst, or are you still good with it?
I ain't got a worst.
That's good. We got a best. So.
I got a best. I like the Subu full-time officers. I really like the idea of them being able to like for people to be able to be in contact with them,
Okay.
and like the Subu building in general is a really helpful place to have in uni, and the society is. I'm in the dance society and it's actually very fun.
Okay. So what's the dance society like? What do you do? Obviously dance, but.
Dance society. Obviously we have practice like once a week. If there's a competition, there's practice like every day. We have like jazz, lyrical, contemporary, ballet, street. I think that's it. And obviously I'm only doing street, but a lot of people do a mix and match of everything.
So you have everything for everyone.
Yeah, and then there's like a social team as well if you're not on the competition team, so you can just come when you want. And we do have like social nights where we go out, we do prees or whatnot. It's quite fun.
What's prees?
It's like a pre-gathering before a night out. So that's where you all like drink and then play games and all that, and then we all go to the club.
Okay. So now we're going on about accommodation. Can you tell us about the accommodation you're at now? What's it called?
I live at Lyme Regis house.
And can you give us its ups and downs? Downs first.
Downs. Okay, so downs, the lifts didn't work for a good two months. This is like the first time we've had all 3 lifts working at the same time. It's quite amazing, really.
Beautiful.
There's a lot of issues of maintenance.
So you've got personal issues. Have you had with maintenance?
Well, I've had them coming into my room, you know, while I'm not there, and also coming into my room while I'm in there, and I've not.
Nice.
Let them in.
So is that equated to anything, or is it just you've just been like lying down and they just walked in? Well, let's just say there's some things that should have not been done,
Yeah.
that have been done,
Yeah.
because of them knocking first. And
Yeah.
maybe there were some private moments to yourself that you shouldn't only happen to yourself that because they have walked in. We'll leave that there. Other.
The guys at reception are really useless. I'm not even gonna lie to you, because you'll ask them something and then they're like, I don't know, there's nothing we can do, or they will give you some information, and then when you go back to reception and ask them about it, they're like, oh no, they shouldn't have told you that, that's not true. It's just a bit like, so who's lying? What's going on?
So it's not consistent.
It's
The
not,
reception
yeah.
is consistent.
They're not really in contact with each other. They don't really understand who's doing what. I don't get it. They need to sort that out.
Let's just sort it out. Yeah, that Lyme Regis, sort it out. Anything else? Maybe about the actual accommodation, like where you live, the kitchen.
Oh, it's nice. It's pretty, but
Okay,
everything
so that's
breaks.
good. Oh, okay.
I'm not gonna lie to you.
What do you mean? What's broken for you so far?
The screws have come out from at least 4 out of 5 chairs. Our fridge broke. The blinds fell off. The window broke, and then the other window broke. Then they fixed it, and it, still broke. My window was leaking for a good 3 months.
Leaking the water raining from the
Yeah,
room.
when it rained, there'll be water all over my room.
All over your room.
Yeah. There was a flood. Yeah, there was a flood in during the Christmas holidays. Luckily, I was still at home and it didn't make it to my floor, but floor 10 to 8, done at it.
What, the top floors?
Yeah.
Oh.
The pipe burst.
Oh.
Considering that they had a flood in last year as well, it's not.
Sticky one still.
It's a sticky one. I'm not even gonna lie to you, but it looks nice. You know?
Okay, so let's get on to the good things now.
Yeah, it looks nice.
It looks nice. Anything else good? Oh. Okay. What do you think the best university accommodation is?
I mean, I've only been to a few, but from what I've seen,
in your opinion.
Yeah, from what I've seen, Bellerton House is quite nice.
Bellerton. So now let's add in best with the price.
Price, yeah.
Price.
If you have the cash, go splash out.
So do you think Bellerton's worth the price they put on it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah?
And Oxford Point. Oxford Point's good.
Okay. So now we're talking about Bournemouth area. What are the must-dos in Bournemouth?
Beach, obviously.
Have to see
You
the
gotta go
beach.
to the
Have to see
beach.
the
There's
beach.
no way you can't
No
come to
brainer.
Bournemouth without going to the
Go
beach.
to
Come on now.
Go see the
You gotta
beach.
go to the beach.
Go
Let's
to
go to the beach.
Let's go to the beach. Let's go get up.
What else? The clubs. There's like literally a whole road of just clubs on every side.
Can you give us some names? What's the club?
Cameo basement.
Cameo
Wednesdays, yeah? It's lit. I'm not even gonna lie to you.
With Cameo, I've heard Cameo Wednesdays come over and over. And what is Cameo Wednesdays to you?
Cameo Wednesdays is the ones that you skip your 9 a.m. for, you know?
Stop it. Get some help.
We don't skip our 9 a.m.
No, but if listen, almost everyone has like an early start on Thursday morning, and Cameo is Wednesday, innit? So people going to Cameo Wednesday are more than like they're not gonna go to their 9 a.m.
Okay.
They're not. Let's just be honest.
So is it worth missing a 9 a.m.?
Yeah, it's worth listening.
What is with Cameo on Wednesday that makes it worth it?
It's just lit. It's lit, especially basement. But they got vinyl, they got drum and bass, they got it all.
They got it all
They
on
got it
Wednesday.
all.
So Wednesday's the day.
Wednesday's the day, man.
Wednesday's the day. What other clubs are there?
There's Lost Mondays.
Is that alright?
It's good. It's quite small though. I'm not even gonna lie to you.
So
But it doesn't
size.
get too packed that people are just
Trying to push past
Yeah.
each other. Okay.
Now Toast Tuesdays, obviously I think that's more of a lads one because there's a lot of mosh pits that goes on in that one
Mosh
there.
pits?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I wouldn't recommend for you ladies. There's Revolution. Oh wait, that's Toast Tuesday.
It's alright if you don't have any more.
Eden.
Eden.
I don't know. I've never been, but my friends have gone.
Where's Eden?
Well, it's like Lost. No, it's behind Halo, and Halo's the church that they turned into a club.
Yeah.
Let's not go into that one.
You don't go to that one.
I went and it was a bit dead. So
Okay.
yeah.
But okay, so anything else, like things to do? Obviously you said clubbing, beach. So if you had a friend that was coming down to Bournemouth, you go to take him to the beach, cameo Wednesdays, take him to the beach. What else would you kind of do with them? Would you say that's the main things
That's
to come and
the
do?
main things.
The main.
Or just go to Bournemouth Square. Sometimes they got little stuff going on there, like in Christmas.